Hi students, welcome to week 9. So we're putting it all together now. Service advisors greet customer comes in, we listen, we hear why they're there, why did they come in, we talk to them, we ask questions, we explore, and at the end we make an agreement about what our first process is going to be that day. And then we write it down. So we are now writing down work orders. We are completing work orders. And as you saw last week, there's a new way to submit, a new process for submitting your assignments. You will need to download the work order onto a computer that has Word. You can get Word for free as a student from the school, or you can use a school computer, however you want to do it. And then you'll need to fill out the work order, and then you'll need to upload it. Anybody has any problems, there's 24-hour-a-day help on Canvas to help you with this. You can call in, and there are knowledgeable people to help you, or you can email me and I can try to help if there's anything I can do remotely. So however you give me the information, I will accept it. The easy way is supposed to be these work orders, which provide a form. There's a section for parts, there's a section for the customer information, for the car information. You know what needs to be on that document. All of that information and an initial estimate needs to be written down, a not to exceed amount that you and the customer agree to. However you want to give me that information, I will accept it, but it needs to be accurate, and the easiest way to do that should be on these Excel work orders that we created for you, that when we get to parts and totaling everything, it does all the math for you, which is especially helpful when it comes to sales tax. Sales tax in Contra Costa County is 8.75% on parts, so that is something the computer does for you. So look at your PowerPoints. Make sure that you understand what needs to be in each section. The labor section should tell you, should tell anyone why the car came in, what was found, and what was done about that. The customer's concern, the cause, and the correction. So this week there is another video. There's a second video which is going to be the basis of much of the work that we do. In that video, you'll need to look at it. I'm a customer calling in. So you'll need to listen to my call, and then there will be assignments and work based on that. Customers say a lot of things. Some of it is useful. Some of it is what somebody told them, and maybe that somebody knows and maybe that somebody doesn't. Customers say a lot of things, and it's our job to listen and make sure that we are kind and caring and answer their concerns, but we also have to ferret out what's really going on, what's really true. So with this customer, you'll need to figure out what they're saying and what we know for sure from our distance. This is a long-time customer. This is an actual story. This actually happened to one of my shops, and it's a, there's an existing relationship, and there is a follow-up to go along with it. So 2 videos, more PowerPoints for you to look at. And then the other thing I want to say is next week is the midterm. I'm not going to have, there will be no homework next week, so it's an ideal time for you to spend time going back, looking at your old work, looking at any PowerPoints that are that you're not exactly clear about. It's all there for you. You can go back and review. The midterm will work like the quizzes. You'll get 2 tries. There are more questions. There are 25 questions. But I encourage you to be prepared for that for the midterm, to look back and to take it, and that will be next week. So that's what I have for you this week. As always, any questions, please email me. As you know, I check it frequently. And otherwise, see you next week.